One of the most important phases of the election process is the functioning of the polling party. Polling party undertakes the voting process at the respective polling booths. Let us look at some of the real-time situations on the day of the poll and how the polling party should handle the situations. It also shows various challenges encountered by the presiding officer and the polling staff when they come across with some of the unusual voters. This is a polling station of 11 Panaji Assembly constituency in the state of Goa. The polling team has pasted the warning, notice and a list of contesting candidates outside the polling station. Polling team is ready for actual poll. You can also see the queue outside the polling station. Now it is almost 7 a.m. on the day of the poll. The presiding officer first reads out Section 128 of the Representation of People Act 1951 and also explains the do's and don'ts to the polling agents.
Polling party and polling agent. Now I'll read out Section 128 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. It states that maintenance of secrecy of voting. Every officer, clerk, agent or other person who performs any duty in connection with the recording or counting of votes at an election shall maintain and aid in maintaining the secrecy of the voting and shall not, except for some purpose authorized by or under any law, communicate to any person any information calculated to violate such secrecy, provided that the provisions of this subsection shall not apply to such officer, clerk, agent or other person who performs any duty at an election to fill a seat or seats in the Council of States. Any person who contravenes the provisions of subsection 1 shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 months or with fine or with both. There are few instructions for the polling agents. We have given you electoral roll. You are allowed to mark on that, you are allowed to use that, but you are not allowed to take this electoral roll outside polling booth. Secondly, mobile phones are not allowed inside this polling booth. Please keep note of this.